Martin. You know, people
Yes.
ask client and friend, and they say how I can figure it out to have a decent work area in my home, and
Right.
what can I do to make it feel like I am productive when I'm working, because a lot of people working from home, they find that difficult to focus because they go in the kitchen, they grab something, they they constantly distracted from. So what I
So
suggested,
Giusi, let me ask you
yeah.
first. How much space do you really need for a home office? Do you need a 10 by 10 room? Do you need a 4 by 4 corner in a room, or
This
what?
is an interesting question. It depends also what type of work is yours.
Uh-huh.
Me as an architect, the 4 by 4 is not sufficient. And in fact, thank God, I have an office in the same building where I live. So I go just downstairs, 12th story, and I'm in my office. Uh, no, if you are a tech guy, a tiny little desk with a computer is enough. But if you are a creative person or an artist uh, or fashion designer, you need a space. You need a table to for the computer, table to do drawing, table, or you know, a lot of artists end up working on the floor, and I did that also myself in the past. So
Right.
it depends what is your profession, but let's say where you physically do the work, you know, you can also put a piece of paper in any surface and paint. But the area where is your computer, where you connect with people, where you do Zoom call or chatting and things, that is the area where you sit in the moment that you focus on writing something or sending important message to your client or communicating with your client. So that specific area there need to be done in a way that is encouraging to go and sit there. And also
Understand.
aesthetically, it's decent to look at because it is in your place. So how you can make that area more interesting, it depends. If your home office your work environment is home and is like in the bedroom or uh, in the basement someplace, weird place, you know, so you make sure that two things. One, uh, if you have to for your personal use, that that place looks pleasing. So you make it more
Right.
look a
So
little
just I'm
officey.
going to interrupt Giusi for a minute.
Yeah.
So basically and there's kind of two different points here, right? The first point is you want to make the place enjoyable for yourself,
Yes.
number one. Number two, as you are on video conferencing, and I had to move into a room closer to my secondary internet here, so I have an ugly background. But number two, when you're talking to people, you want to have a really good background as well. And
Definitely.
and if
Definitely.
things are difficult, you can do a virtual background that our colleague Giselle is doing right now. But also, I think that's great as well to show that you are